recognize that every step forward is a step toward achieving something bigger and better. Given this 4th day of August 2013 at the Town Plaza Auditorium, Create Tower, University Town, National University of Singapore.
A big hand please for Ms. Mary Grace Pagdanganan. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light, the way for others, and you are that candle to the Skians, Ms. Margie. Thank you once again, and it is indeed our honor to have you here with us.
On behalf of ASCII Philippines and its 7 mutually reinforcing institutions, would like to express our gratitude and congratulations to all graduates. It's always been a pleasure to see students finishing their courses. You are here for no ordinary reason. Your team of getting there, reaching out, and you did not get here by accident, but for a purpose.
And President of ASCII Philippines, Ms. Alice Kaliwag. Of course, the Vice Chairman of ASCII Foundation, Mrs. Crescenciana Victoria. Thank you for coming, Ma'am. And of course, our dear board member of ASCII Philippines also, we have here Pastor Padulina. And managers from ASCII Philippines, Mr. Joseph Juan, Mr. Kenneth Macalinaw, Mr. August Pascual, and Ms. Lizelle and Gracia. And we have also here our good friend from Barclays, Ms. Elizabeth Koo. And of course, Ms. Aliwin Macalinaw. Thank you for coming.
From the Philippine Embassy, of course, we'd like to welcome Consul Oliver Delfin, Consul Catherine Torres, Consul Dimagiba, and from City we have Mr. Chu Yibin, of course, Ms. Regita Binacota. To award the certificates to our graduates, may we call
Ito Aglia. Honorata Apelido Aglia. Daisy Cristobal Alejandro. Jemima Obinia Alejandro. Ada Melo Almuete. Alvis. Arlene Perez Angeles. Melfe Kinanola Ansola. Maynard John Benigno Antonio. Maribel Maramag Ariola. Chari Costales Atencio. Aimee Antolo Barluado. Virgilia Lombres Batistil. Irene Joy De Parroco Bernadas. Joy Canha Galinero. Jean Flores Garingan. Maria Lorely Pineda Gulliegue. Virgie Nachon Getiayon. Marlene Marciano Ginaat. Alfreline Maravilla Gocon. Emma Almacin Hermoso. Bibiana Mangabat Inocencio. Hel Charlicon Perez Hatico. Mary Claire Nakman Hoxon. Dian Nur Nabila Kasnadi. Lilibeth Besa Lacar. Luz Vimen Patinga Laduing. Karen Badilla Lawrencen. Elvisa Lopena Legaspi. Nancy Batinga Leonardo. Chares Agaton Longaw. Catherine Sabundo Makalam. Ronalie Guzman Magbato. Maria Senisa Aguilar Mahinay. Minerva Ballesteros Maminta. Marilyn Rebalde Mangoso. Graciel Foronda Manuel. Jovelyn Nobullos Mayo. Francisca Amilangan Moises. Annabel Alar Nagum. Loida Danipog Natividad. Evelyn Dayag Obejo. Marilyn Mobo Obilios. Lia Daransyang Padilla. Ellen Pangalila. Merlita Flores Parentela. Carol Abad Pe. Audrey Sini Po. Jovi Dakila Kinlat. May Reyes Rio Florido. Priscilla Soriano Rosario. Jonaline Saroca Rojas. Priscilla Urdas Sabado. Fredesminda Monteverde Salvador. Jessa Mortera Samarita. Bernadette Santillan Samson. Emilyn Sanchez Sancho. Elizabeth Piano Sapitola. Lenny Suarez Sarmiento. Grace Letada Sameliano. Angeline Navarro Shodena. Mary Joy Martinez Solaina. Lori Paparon Sotelo. Helen Hiponia Talamera. Roslyn Borines Tejada. Rayaline Duque Tobias. Elizabeth Peñaloga Tomas. Catherine Chuca Velasco. Zenaida Lopez Viernes. And lastly, we have Mila Casa Villanueva. Okay, once again, congratulations to our financial education graduates.
ASCII Global through our local partner in Indonesia, Nayues, Jamaris Nayues. Emiliana Edita Colo. Let's go now. Donna Ikrima. Hinda Susanti. I hope I get this right. Karni Triwayajani Ningrum. Lely Echo Susanti. Noor Chasana. Next up, Romawati. Sakinem. Siti Mujtahida. Next up, Tarya. Tumira. Warsiti Samsudi. Yani Waryani. Our last Indonesian graduate, Yeni Kurniati. Lourdes Vito. Adaw Jennifer Javier. Aquino Elizabeth Lomahan. Arceo Norilyn Granada. Mary Claire Ruanto Ardidon. Asuelo Jerisa Tan. Balisi Cheryl Palaming. Balabo Eloisa Escote. Polieser Gloria Palis. Brua Ursula de la Rosa. Roxanne Cheng Delen. Cabasa Josephine Sutasio. Castor Lilibet Castor. Castillon Florence Ann Alegado. Colombino Rufina Ochinang. Cortez Emmy Rose Naidi Baklig. De la Cruz Joyce Dinulong. De la Cruz Maria Cristina Nieves. De la Cruz Sherry Gold Masado. De Toya Chona Zarandona. Diaros Joan Enriquez. Dumalen Elizabeth Calayoan. Enrera Erlinda Goko. Fausto Jen Andres. Delano Maribel Ferrer. Gabuzan Emma Agramon. Gutierrez Lailani Milyara. Hidalgo Dominica Gumangan. Legado Mary Ann de la Cruz. Lugo Angelita Tumamaw. Mabanag Maripaz Sales. Madriaga Flor de Luna Mapalo. Masadao Mirna Salimbay. Molina Rodeliza Aspilia. Nares Annelene Renido. Natividad Nieves Siculies. Taho Mary Chris Boncato. Peñalosa Vilma Pescador Janet Retondo. Rehoja Rosalinda Umanito. Sumabat Maria Soledad Lagabriel. Totisano Jocelyn Esmiliaren. And Miss Arlene Lutao Veloso.
Let us now recognize the double certificate course graduates. Annalyn Julian Villaluna Aguilar. Raven Foroble Arambla. Ronela Fernandez Alison. Sheryl Soriano Alvarado. Gloria Magallanes Apolonio. Angelicia Hiraga Avenido. Teresa Ana Anastasio Ayunon. Babylin Balansi Baral. Marianne Villanueva Barbado. Jocelyn Agpalo Bartolo. Leonisa Evaristo Beldia. Rosalinda Bora Bisares. Jovelyn David Bulusan. Rosa Concepcion Gamiao Celestino. Chow Kamhun Elan. Hazel Arzadon Coleado. Geraldine Villarreal Cuabo. Rosie Bangayan Curiba. Eva Galano David. Regina Luz Sabuel de Guzman. Teresita Villamina de la Torre. Ofelia Sinag de los Reyes. Christine Dayan Gravila de Mata. Rowena Torbeles Duran. Maria Victoria. Marisa Calamojoy Henon. Virginia Pasawa Gole. Marvida Alues Izola. David Ho Lungtat. May Canto Handokile. Evelyn Besa Lacar. Milagros Kinga Lagumbay. Desiree Garais Liagas. Shirley Putel Wansin. Harline Sumalpong Makatumbas. Reynalda Bugayong Marzan. Maria Villa Selmar Millanes. Mokhtar Hossein Abul Kashem. Lorena Madar Moreno. Cecilia Torres Navasca. Lorena Baloloy Orense. Elaine Gonzalez Pacapa. Maricel Gildore Panes. Lorly Del Mundo Pastor. Elizabeth de Mabildo Piliado. Marlene Gililang Piolo. Jasmine Casais Purisima. Rowena Alba Quezon. Revelyn Bueno Robles. Saturnina de los Santos Rotelo. Juliet Bueno Serapion. Lucita Fernandez Solabar. Maylene Paro Talieno. Jean Baladhay Ballestero. And we have Rosie Bangayan Curiba. Okay, once again, congratulations to Eliseria Moral Alonso. Evelyn Marcia Apanes. Maricel Barila Bisares. Pearl Joy Gamuzaran Bonitilio. Mary Grace Concha Borjan. Marian Araneta Caballeron. Maria Riza Ursha Carcalias. Rosalie Silvestre Carlite. Remedios Rosario Carlos. Yellen Abordaje Coopera. Loretta Dulatre Cortez. Evangeline Hakias Diaz. Editha Amin Dimaano. Felisa Agat Duque. Lori Pandis Fernandez. Agnes Coliado Gabriel. Divina Peñaranda Gardose. Maria Lorely Pineda Galiegue. Madonna Gracia Ekle Heraldino. Rosalinda Manongtong Guerrero. Marisa Silveo Habasa. Milagro Milagros Kinga Lagumbay. Nancy Batinga Leonardo. Angelita Tumamaw Lugo. Angelina Sagon Madayag. Concepcion Karaan Maligaya. Maria Elma Salamanca Montaña. Annabel Alar Nagum. Cecilia Torres Navasca. Melodina Dalisme Olivar. Regina Fernandez Ordanza. Narcisa Garcia Panapanaan. Rosemary Manalo Panes. Ellen Pangalila. Lucille Gabuat Ihencio. Jovi Dakila Kinlat. Ofelia Padilla Ramos. May Reyes Rio Florido. Mirna Romuar Ritumalta. Evelyn Papa Rojas. Emily Sanchez Sancho. Lornelli Soldevilla Sorilla. Regina Corsino Santa Romana. Reynalyn Rapada Tadeo. Rosemary Ignacio Ursia. Zenaida Lopez Viernes. Marisol Rances Aguilar. And lastly, Maricel Barila Bizares.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the 279 graduates who have completed their studies at ASCII
starts with you. And doing this eventually will bring you a long way. You are leaders now. Leaders in a sense that you don't get into it without certain sacrifices. Your sacrifices will now bear fruition. Your next step is to make that dream come true. Your dream, as Irma had mentioned, we all dream big. But we have to wake up from that dream and step into the real world. And stepping into the real world will be fraught with a lot of challenges. But as you have prepared yourself very well and very seriously, I am positive you will be able to handle and hurdle all these challenges. Sa inaral ninyo sa ASCII, you were given all the tools to identify where you're best. And this is what is important. Do where you are best.
With the Outstanding and Excellent Business Plan Awards, ASCII Global Limited has chosen 11 outstanding and 3 excellent business plans out of 117 submitted to us. At this point, we'd like to thank Mr. Patrick Sim. Patrick, thank you very much for serving as our panelist from day one up to the last day for both financial and business plans.
These graduates have acted on their dreams and have put time and effort to be successful. They have worked hard to write what they want and have put their vision into action.
Tying on 10th place, Rowena Alba Quezon. Tinong Piggery from Bayawan City, Negros Oriental. And Miss Virginia Pasawa Gole, who will be putting up Virgie's Resto in Magaldan, Pangasinan.
Virgie started saving 2 years ago for her dream business. Virgie's restaurant will be located in Pangasinan in the Philippines and will provide healthy and affordable meals to its customers. While Rowena Alba Quezon will be going home for good next year. She has already started her piggery business last June. Her vision for her business is to become among the top 10 producers of pork in her hometown. When we asked her about her impression about ASCII Global, she said, ASCII Global is like a dream come true. Congratulations to Ms. Rowena Alba Quezon and Ms. Virgie Pasawa Gole. Tying on 9th place. Drumroll please. Of Miss Mary Claire Ardidon and Friendly Neighborhood Internet Cafe of Miss Rowena Torbeles Duran.
Rowena's Internet Cafe will be operational in Barangay Bunakan, Madridejo, Cebu. She will start from 12 units in which she plans to add more computers as she anticipates increase in number of students who will patronize her business. While Mary Claire will start Clara's Grill Convento and will offer the best Asian taste grilled chicken barbecue in Marikina, Quezon Highway, located at Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. From a mini-stub eatery, she envisions her business to become an open house grilled resto bar after 8 years. Once again, congratulations to Ms. Rowena and Miss Mary Claire.
Tying on 8th place. From Puchong Jaya, Kuala Lumpur, Chowka Muhunelans, Kukume Famous Dessert, and from Cagayan Valley, Golden Memories Bake Shop, Joanne Enriquez Diaros.
Juan plans to open Golden Memories Bake Shop in Apari and will offer wide variety of cakes, pies, and breads. While Kam Hoon, he is actually working here in Singapore as a chef, and his passion is really cooking. That is why he decided to put up Kukume Famous Dessert in Puchong Jaya, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay, once again, congratulations, Kang Hoon and Joanne.
Dominica Gumangan Hidalgos, Nick's Just Juice from Solano, Nueva Vizcaya.
Nick Just Juice Signature Fruit Juices has been branded as Strong Bones, Get Up and Go, Instant Energizer, Pick Me Up, Anti-Nick, and the most unique is Better Slim Than Dead. The business will be established in central of Solano Public Market. Once again, congratulations. With the business tagline, "We will get you skating or your money back," of Apari, Cagayan Valley, Miss Janet Retondo Pescador.
Skate Skills promise to their customers is, "We will get you skating or your money back." According to Janet, in 5 years' time, Skate Skills will be the first and premier supplier of inline skating lessons in Apari, Cagayan Valley. Potential customers are both children and adults ages 4 to 35 years old. Congratulations, Janet Retondo Pescador. On 5th place, this is not technically a tie. Sister Act, Lizelle and Lailani Milyara Gutierrez for LMG Residences in Novaliches, Quezon City.
Sisters Lizelle and Lailani did their business plan together, and they both envisioned that their enterprise would be the leading and growing property developer after 7 years. For them, what matters is to make homes, not just mere